Hello, good evening. Hello, Lucy.
Teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today? How are you? I also have that. I also have. Look, look, look. But I only have one Hello Kitty only. Wow, so cute. Mine's only one Hello Kitty. Oh, I also have. I have two. Do you have like this, Chen? It's also Hello Kitty, but can you see it?
Flower.
Yeah, flower. So cute. We're matchy. Hi, hello. How are you today, Lucy? How are you?
Good.
Oh, wow. Wow, it's a flower.
It's
Wow. Oh, who did this? Who did it? Uh,
Ai đã làm việc đó?
who did it? Crochet. I also have that one, but I have a big flowers. Chanin.
flower.
Yeah. Wow, it's so cute. So cute. Okay. Again, how are you today? How are you today, Lucy? Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, what do we say when we are happy? We will
Yes.
say I'm I'm again. What do we say when we are being asked the question, how are you? What do we say? We will say I'm happy. I'm
I'm happy.
okay, very good. So now are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Oh, before we start, I also have another flower. Look, it's a
Wow.
rose. Yeah, this is my friend. My friend gave this to me. My friend gave this to me.
Bạn tôi đã tặng cái này cho tôi.
Yeah, my
Oh,
friend. Yes. And also this one. So it is a pen holder.
wow.
Yeah, it's so cute, right?
Uh,
So we call it as crochet. Crochet. Okay, so now let us start our lesson for today. So again, are you ready?
yes.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Wow, good job. Now let's go and learn some vocabulary words that we have in our picture. So can you please read this word? This one. This one. Can you read this word? We call it as people. Let
People.
again, let's see. People.
People.
Okay, very good. So now let's go back to our picture that we have. So in this picture, so the family is the people. The family is the people. Or the family are the people. So now again, Lucy, Who are the people in the picture? Who are the people?
Những người trong ảnh là ai?
Is the
The
family are the people.
Very good. Wow. So the family are the people because when we say people, Lucy, people is us. When we say people, people are us. Humans, people.
Con người chính là chúng ta, là nhân loại.
Yes, so people are humans like us. So again, Lucy, what are we?
Chúng ta là gì?
What are we?
Is people.
Very good. We are. Okay, we say it in a sentence or we correct your sentence. We say we are people. Okay, very good. So again, when we say people, people are humans like us, like boys, girls, mother, father, or family. So that is people. Again, so can you give in the picture, Lucy, who are the people?
Những người trong bức ảnh là ai?
In the picture, who are the people?
Is
Is
mother,
yes, mother.
mother,
Yes,
sister,
sister,
father,
and who is
and
this? Bra.
brother.
Okay, very good. So in the picture, it's or the people are mother, sister, father, and brother. Very, very good. Nice. So that is people. Okay, next. Let's go to our next vocabulary words. So we have here, so can you read this one, Lucy? Can you read this one? We read it as activities.
Activities.
Very good. One more time. Activities.
Activity.
Okay, perfect. Very good. So activities. So now let's take a look at the picture and let's find what are the activities that they do in the picture. Okay, so so we have here play. Okay, let's read this one. Play
Places a
with,
ball.
okay, one more time. Let's see. Play with,
A ball.
okay, very good. Play with a ball. Now, can you circle? Can you circle Lucy? Where is play with a ball? Can you circle where is play with a ball?
Bạn có thể khoanh tròn chỗ đang chơi với quả bóng không?
Yes.
Circle. Can you circle?
Yes.
Okay, circle. Where is, okay, very good. That is the ball. But for activities, so this is play with a ball. Because when we say, oh, what's that? It's a candy. Okay, so when we say activities, Lucy, so when we say activities, these are things that we do. Activities are things we do.
Hoạt động là những việc chúng ta làm.
Yes, so that is activities. Again, what is activity, Lucy?
Hoạt động là gì?
What is activity?
Is
Activities are
are teach
we.
prayer.
Okay, again, let's read this word again. Things we do. Again, let's say, things we do.
What?
Let's read again the word. Things we
Thing with your
do. Again,
do.
do. Okay, very good. So, activities are things we do. Like, for example, eating, eating food. Eating food is an activity. Okay, listen to this one.
Hoạt động là những việc chúng ta làm. Ví dụ như ăn uống chẳng hạn, ăn uống là một hoạt động.
Okay, so eating food is an activity. It is what we do. So we eat. So drinking, drink is an activity. Okay, so now let's take a look again at the picture. Our first activity is play with a ball.
Play with a ball.
Very good. So father and brother are playing with a ball. Okay, let's say father and brother. Okay, let's read. Father and brother are playing with a ball.
Playing
With a ball.
with a ball.
Okay, very good. So play with a ball is an activity.
Chơi với bóng là một hoạt động.
Okay, so next. So we have our second activity, which is, let's read this one. Sit on the blanket.
Sit
Okay,
on the blanket.
okay, again, sit,
Yes.
sit.
Sit on the blanket.
Very good. Now, can you circle where is sit on the blanket in the picture? Right.
Bạn có thể khoanh tròn vị trí ngồi trên tấm chăn trong bức tranh không?
Yes.
Okay, circle, sit on on the blanket. Very good. That is sit on the blanket. Perfect. So sit on the blanket is an activity that we do at picnic or in picnic.
Ngồi trên tấm thảm là một hoạt động chúng ta thực hiện khi đi dã ngoại.
Okay, so now let's try to make a sentence. So, what is mother and sister doing?
Mẹ và chị gái đang làm gì vậy?
What is mother and sister doing? Mother and sister are, what are they doing?
Mẹ và chị gái đang làm gì vậy?
Are
Are is
She
She on the blanket.
Okay, again, let's read this word again. Let's say sitting.
Sitting.
Very good. So again, Lucy, what is mother and sister doing?
Mẹ và chị gái đang làm gì vậy?
Is
Mother and
mother and sister are
sitting
sitting
on.
on the blanket.
Okay, very good. So next, let's have our third activity. So let's read this one. Let's say, have a picnic. Let's read. Have a picnic. This one. Let's read. Have a picnic.
Picnic.
Okay, again. Let's read this one. Let's read. Okay. Okay, so for this one, I think Lucy, so since we do not have much time, so we will continue this vocabulary learning in our next class, okay? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Lucy, so make sure to um review the two activities that we learned today, which is play with a ball and sit on the blanket, and also the people. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much for your time today, Lucy, and see you again next Tuesday. Goodbye. Oh, I want pink, 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 pink. Pink, 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 pink. Where is pink? Pink, pink, pink. Yeah, pink. Pinku, pinku. Bye bye, Lucy. Wow. See you again soon. Goodbye. Bye bye.